Most of the words that started this question are encapsulated by this picture. I'm just going to focus on the key information. CG is 9 centimeters. And then the shaded region is 47 centimeters squared. So somehow we got to use those numbers. And the way we can do this is by labeling the sides of the square. So I'm going to call this one X for the bigger square, and the smaller square can have length Y. Because that means that this is also Y, and suddenly I have a right-angled triangle with a height of Y, a length of X, and longest length 9. Therefore, I can use Pythag. So it's going to be X squared plus Y squared is equal to 9 squared, or 81. Okay, we've got a relationship relating X and Y. Can we do the same with the 47? Well, the shaded area is going to be the area of the big square, which is, so using area, X squared, minus the area of the small squared, which is Y squared, and that's going to equal 47. So now I actually have simultaneous equations, and although technically they are simultaneous equations involving a quadratic, because both terms are x squared here and both terms are y squared, you can treat it exactly the same as if you were just solving like x plus y equals 81 and x minus y equals 47. So we can add these two together. We're going to get 2x squared, the y's are going to cancel, equals 128, which means x squared is going to be 64, which means x is going to be 8. Okay, just the positive square roots here because this is a physical shape. We don't, should we write? Okay, maybe I should just say reject x equals -8, just to be clear. And actually, this is enough. If you might not realize that, and you might then find y. So we could do that quite quickly. But in fact, the perimeter, this is going to be 8, and this is going to be 8. Now, this plus this is exactly the same as just a length of a square. So when you cut a piece out, it actually, like a square, it doesn't change the perimeter. And therefore, the perimeter is just going to be 4 times 8, which is 32 centimeters. Okay, worth being aware of that. If you didn't realize that, then of course you could work out y. It's quite, I don't know, it feels like it's quite good to work out y anyway. So y squared is going to be 81 minus 64, which is going to be 17. Or y is going to be root 17. So slightly awkward, but you could then add these on. But you can see if this is root 17 and root 17, then this would actually be 8 minus root 17. And you can see them cancelling out. When you add them together, we're going to get back to 8. And this one is 8 minus root 17 as well. So hey, I found it, but the main thing is all you need to do is find x, realize that the perimeter is still the same as the original square, and we're done.